In today's video, I'm going to teach you a handy trick on Clipchamp. How to remove those pesky invisible gaps from your video projects efficiently and effortlessly in just 5 minutes. If you've ever edited a video and noticed awkward pauses or breaks that weren't visible initially, you're not alone. These invisible gaps can disrupt the smooth flow of your video and the overall viewing experience, but don't worry, today I'll show you exactly how to spot and eliminate them. Let's begin by navigating to Clipchamp. Open up your browser and head over to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Sign In. Using a Microsoft account makes the process seamless, so if that's an option for you, click on Continue with Microsoft. Once signed in, select your Microsoft account from the options provided. You're now on the Clipchamp homepage. From here, click on Create a New Video. You may already be familiar with this step if you have used Clipchamp before. You're now setting the stage for your editing. Next, we'll need to import the media you plan to work with. Click on Import Media and gather all the necessary files for your project. Once your media is imported, it's time to organize everything onto the timeline, which is where the magic happens. Simply drag and drop your clips onto the timeline. Now you enter the editing phase. This step is where you'll want to cut or split the footage wherever necessary, so take your time and be as precise as you can. Go through your clips methodically. After editing, it's crucial to check every merged section and ensure there aren't unintentional gaps between clips. Make sure everything transitions smoothly and that nothing appears out of place. To locate gaps, scrub through your timeline carefully. If you spot one, don't panic. With your mouse, right-click over any identified gap and choose the option to delete them. Clipchamp offers a very convenient feature to streamline this process with just one more click. Once you have deleted the visible gaps, click on the option labeled Delete All Visual Gaps. This will ensure that any other potential invisible breaks are addressed. Finally, the last step in this process is to export your video. Once you're satisfied with the edits and the flow of your video, click on Export. Ensure you choose the correct settings that suit your platform's requirements, and with that you're ready to share or store your seamless, gap-free video project. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this trick, the quicker and more intuitive it will become. So there you have it, your video, now gap-free and ready to impress. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this has made your editing process a little smoother.